Good morning, all dear student. Myself Manisha Patotkar from KK Secondary School and Junior College, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Today I am going to explain you Standard 10th Science and Technology Part 1 topic Electric Motor, which is from Effect of Electric Current. Let's see what are the different points that we are going to learn in electric motor. First, principle, application, diagram, construction and working of electric motor. Let's see the principle of electric motor. The electric motor is a device which changing electrical energy into mechanical energy is known as electric motor. This is the principle of electric motor. What is the application of electric motor? Let's see. Electric motor is used in fans, refrigerator, mixer, washing machines, computers and pumps. Now see the construction and the diagram of electric motor. This is the diagram of electric motor. So construction of electric motor is, it consists of a rectangular loop of copper wire having resistive coating. This copper rectangular wire is placed between north pole and south pole of a magnet in such a way that its branches AB and CD, they are perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. So here branches AB and branches CD, these are the rectangular copper wire branches. They are perpendicular to the north pole and south pole of horseshoe magnet. The two ends of a loop are connected to two halves X and Y of a split ring. It means the ends of a rectangular loop, they are connected to split ring having notation X and Y. The two halves of the ring have resistive coating on their inner surface. They are tightly fitted on the axles. Means the split ring, they are tightly fitted inside using the axle. And the last point, the two halves of the split ring X and Y have their outer conducting surface in contact with the two stationary carbon brushes, they are respectively. It means the stationary brushes are there which are connected to the split ring, and then their ends, by using the wire, they are connected to the battery and through the key. So this is construction of electric motor. Now let's see the working of electric motor. As we see in the diagram, all the components, when they are connected to electric battery, what happened? The current flows from branch AB of loop from A to B through the carbon brushes E and F. Then the direction of magnetic field is from north pole to south pole. So we are applying Fleming left hand rule, and all of you know that in Fleming left hand rule, the force acting on current, M magnetic direction of magnetic field, and C direction of current, these are the three things which are perpendicular to each other. Here Fleming left hand rule is applicable for working of electric motor, and it is a force is exerted on the branch AB and pushes it down. Then the current in the CD branch is in opposite direction, so that branch AB, and therefore a force exerted on branch CD is in upward direction. That's why the loop and the axle starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction. The video for how electric motor is work can be shown at the adjacent sites, so you can observe that. After one first rotation, the next rotation, that is half rotation, is there. The two halves of the split ring X and Y come in contact with carbon brushes F and E, so that the current in the loop start flowing in a direction of DCBA. So initially the direction of current takes place from ABCD, and then in a second half rotation the current takes place from DCBA. Therefore the force is exerted on the branch DC in downward direction and the branch BE in upward direction. Therefore the loop continue and to rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. So what is the movement of the rectangular loop? This can be shown by observing the video which were shown at the adjacent window. So A, B, C, D, this is the rectangular loop. Now initially AB it is in downward direction and CD loop it is in upward direction. This can be understood by Fleming left hand rule, and finally the rotation takes place using Fleming left hand rule. So thank you.